Hey folks, welcome to Bell CB. We've got the Galaxy DX-959B. This is a tune-up report for Jan. Jan's in Sweden. Alright. We got power all the way down to the radio in AM. Let's start up over here, where we always do. 10 watts cross-top scale. We come in at 1. If I turn it up on the radio all the way, it goes to 6. Alright, this scale has a 50 watt slug, so we'll be looking at up here near the 30. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio. Okay, near the 40. This one's a hot one. Sometimes you get one that's better than others. Now here's the sideband power. Audio, check, 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 check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check, check, check. And back to AM again for the scope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check, check. Alright. That's all there is to that. Hey, Breaker 19 for a radio check. How about a radio check out there on 19 break audio? I appreciate it, driver. Really do. Thank you very much, and have a great day.